Welcome back to Goodness Gracious Sakes Alive. Today we're going to be visiting Fall Creek Falls State Park and Pikeville, Tennessee. We're doing a quick drive-through to the state park to check out Fall Creek Falls Overlook. We aren't doing any hiking or real exploring as we're just doing some quick sightseeing on our way up to Fairfield Glade. We're just kind of checking out some of the sights we find on the map as we head up that way. So Fall Creek Falls State Park is one of Tennessee's largest and most visited state parks. This park is huge and has many waterfalls to see. They do require some hiking, so we're going to skip those today and we're just going to go over to the Fall Creek Falls Overlook. Fall Creek Falls is 256 feet high and it is one of the highest waterfalls in the eastern United States. This state park has camping, cabin rentals, golfing, a small lake, creeks, waterfalls, and miles of hiking trails. The Fall Creek Falls Overlook is handicap accessible, so this will be added to our GGSA Easy Trekking category. It is a paved walk and not far from the parking lot. Bring a camera with zoom or binoculars to get a good view of the waterfall from the overlook. There is hiking down to the bottom. It is only about a half a mile down, but it is straight down, so be prepared if you decide to take that because you do have to come back up. If you've never been, you should really check it out. It is a beautiful park with plenty to do. After leaving the state park, we headed through Pikeville, Tennessee. I sometimes say Pikeville, which I'm sure most non-Tennesseans pronounce it this way, but after living here for many years now, I've learned that it is pronounced Pikeville. Pikeville is located in the northern half of the Sequatchie Valley. Around 1,600 people live here and the town was incorporated in 1830. There's some beautiful old homes in the historic district and it has a cute downtown area. The Sequatchie Valley is a beautiful area of Tennessee. We hope y'all liked our video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave us a comment and a thumbs up. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter where we post photos and updates that may not be on these videos. Until next time, safe travels and God bless.